The shameful ink attack on the GPCC headquarters in Panjim today by BJP goons is nothing short of an assault on democracy itself. I see this as a pattern of the BJP, which did similar vandalism and hooliganism in Bihar, attacking the Bihar Pradesh Congress Committee office. When a party of the ruling dispensation resorts to such cowardly acts of intimidation, it exposes not strength but weakness. This is not just an attack on the Congress party. It is an attack on the values of dialogue, dissent and democratic space that every Goan and every Indian holds sacred. Violence and vandalism have no place in politics. And you trust me, BJP does not like dissent. Even within its own party, it tolerates no dissent. We strongly condemn this undemocratic hooligan behavior and call upon every citizen to see this for what it is, a desperate attempt to silence the voice of the people. The Congress will not be intimidated. Our resolve to fight for truth, justice and the people of Goa only grows stronger. Democracy cannot be blackened by ink, and we will not allow the voice of the people against the vote chori to be silenced. Our leader, Rahul Gandhi, is exposing the BJP day in and day out, and this is causing jitters within the BJP, rank and file, and has actually shaken the foundation of the BJP, including the manner in which it has been stealing the victory at elections or post-elections. Act of hooliganism is the hallmark of frustrated bucks who want to silence truth and fear the opposition. Such street fight tactics is nothing but a repetition of what happened during the Nazi regime. You will remember famously the Sturm Telung, or what was called famously the SA. Its primary purpose was providing protection for the Nazi rallies and assemblies, disrupting the meetings of the opposing parties, fighting against paramilitary units of the opposing parties, especially the Communist Party of Germany, which was the party over there, and the Social Democratic Party of Germany, and intimidating Romani, trade unionists, and especially the Jews. Is this emergency by the back door by BJP? Would you call this good governance? I repeat, it is time to get rid of the BJP. People in the country will live in harmony if you get rid of the BJP in the government. Otherwise, mark my words, you will live in fear and you never know when you may next be target of attack.